Sekodia 00100 Nairobi. Ni gutubwate obumanyi bw'emyaka 10 na kugenderera. Tutarere asya bichito chire egeti kya marokera y'oburemi ASK Showground angene geti Kigusi Stadium na boigo angene Golf House. Twakire simi ase namba 0798884949. Gose 0794440400. One-on-one security services intwe namba ya masoborende. Getemba Television ekeonga.
Right mwanchi unana mugorobo muyari tukeli gari Jumatatu tariki kianda chimutenyu 12 mwaka wigana mangabere gakwaneke gwakorwa ase county ya Kisii county ya Miraoke county ya Nairobi kwarigana ase keonga chinsa ikomi chabano mugoroba to chakorwa ase Nsemeri county ya Kakamega itkoli ya lero nigo omu prime cabinet secretary Moske Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi kubatana amono mukabana we county yo Moske Fernandez Baraza nigo babiri bagwesokya na batamuna nigo barachikobeke mirobelisene yo chikobaterana amone serikali okwana chinga kecho nigo Moske Baraza abere batamuna nerbuya egati ya minyikuru Nsemeri ya Yorokongo Western gochia kubatesia serikali eligo kine uchumi
will to reconstitute the IBC in order to facilitate by-elections which are pending and also to prepare for the next general elections for 2027. However, we have some litigants who are frustrating that process. Omenda Kotini, we know very well that Azimio and Kenya Kwanza agreed on the reconstitution of the IBC commissioners, except one dissenting voice from the Wiper, and thereafter supporting or promoting litigants to go and frustrate the process of reconstituting the IBC. I want to challenge all the leaders to support the issue of reconstitution of the IBC. We need to move on as a democratic country because we cannot afford to have a lacuna in the IBC reconstitution. So my appeal is to all the leaders of goodwill to focus on supporting the President of the Republic of Kenya and our party leader Raila Amolo Odinga as they forge forward to ensure that we have an IBC that is operational to facilitate the by-elections. Others, I want to thank you. Nawashukuru sana. Nawakaribisheni Kakamega. This is a very hospitable county, and for those who are visiting for the first time, we have the only existing tropical rainforest here. That is the Kakamega forest. I invite you after the launch of today, take some time to visit our tropical rainforest so that you can see. I'm sure my brother will be happy to meet a few snakes.
Wanchimura shinga kiagani tukane kigwa kura Nsemeri yo munenchira moyo gukura oburendi kurwa Nsemeri county ya Embu nigo egati gyabo saba banyimbo babiri bagosokina otamna nigo babikendret kowenekia oburendi Nsemeri kubatkana amono bosalia okwana chinga kecho niga bange babiri batamna nigo serikali ebegete mirobilisene echikwane kinga egati ya abarai kurwa Nsemeri ngo chibali ukerania amagendro
na mambo ambayo yalisababisha mauaji yatapatikana kujulikana. Na maafisa walitoka kwa DCI na Directorate of Homicide kuja kufukua mwili wakishirikiana na maafisa wa Mbeere North hapa DCI na wale wanatoka county ya Embu ili kuchukua mwili wa marehemu. Jambo hili lilifanyika kama wiki moja iliyopita na lilihusisha marehemu na mandugu ya baba mwingine ambao hata nao pia walivamiwa baadaye na mmoja wetu aliaga dunia na hata mwili wake ulipelekwa kule Embu. Moja ya mhusika alipelekwa Embu Level 5 Hospital na anazidi kupata matibabu. Bado ako hospitalini. Siku ya leo mwili ambayo tumeweza kufukua utapelekwa kule mochari ya Embu. Ili watu apate kufanyiwa mambo ya postmortem ili kufanya uchunguzi kusababisha kifo cha marehemu. Ningependa kuchukua fursa hii kuwasihi familia na hata watu wa sehemu hii kwamba wakiwa na
Wanchimura chinga kiagenda tukane kigwa kurwa sensema yoni gobo iko serikali ya beriga watamna nigera chikonya kawe kubatirana amone gati ya abaremi alikuwa nikinga babiru ba ukinia oboremi bwabo okwana chinga kichoni go Muske Felix Sukoskei aberiga wasokya na watamna niga serikali begetemero berisene yogo chiago kinia ekemergie chae na boigo kana kinga abaremi ngo chibare konyora abonasi abo asenchira igwanda
million kilos. That as we speak now, 15 million has been processed and ready to be dispatched. We have another 13 million which is under process. In the second season, we are anticipating to harvest to get about 8 million kilos. We have met a stride of 8 million because we are getting that 6 million and last year we got 28 million. So we are confident that Kenya Seed is ready to serve farmers this time. The total requirement of seed in this country is about 70-80 million kilos, and therefore Kenya Seed has been given farm instruction.
Right mwancho mwana raina kuarganisa sanzimege konga chinsa ikomi chabon mogoroba sabari kubaito pamwana maya kurwase county ya Kisii county ya Miro wiki county ya Nairobi apagani tukane kinga uchibare okorentera amange asansemele konga chinsa ibere na bogo chinsa nyecho butkubarero ngoba ngonya kamango bakiranga mbiamono na bogo to wakiranga mbiamono sakonyo okoena kinga kwa bere okorigeria konga chinsa ikomi chabon mogoroba nchenkuru kwa Kevin ngoba
Getemba Television ekionga kya Mwamogusi. Exile